everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Cora. Hopefully everyone's doing okay and keeping safe with everything that's going on out there. Today I decided to do a video on my Pochette Metis, an overview and a review on this cute little bag. I got this bag back in September of 2019 during my honeymoon with my husband, of course, while we were touring Italy, France, and Spain. So I had to get something while we were in France. So this is what I got. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'll be doing some close-ups, quick packing on it, and some mud shots. All right, let's get to it. The Pochette Metis comes in different styles. This one right here is the Monogram Empreinte leather, which I don't think I'm saying that right. And it comes in multiple different colors, which I'll go ahead and put up in the screen to show you the multiple colors. But it's like a beige, a dark navy blue, a black, pink, red, and another colored red. And it also comes in the monogram, a monogram reverse, or reverse monogram. And then I think there's also another one that just came out for summer 2020 where it comes with a braided handle for the top handle. This one right here is measured at 9.84 inches in length, 7.48 inches in height, and width is 2.76 inches. And as you can see, this has an embossed monogram to it. In the front flap, you see how the monogram's right side up, and since it's one piece, it is upside down on the back. It has a zipper to the back for a flat pocket with the pink lining. And then you have the gold colored hardware. And this one has the S-lock to it, which is historic, historic for their Louis Vuitton house trunks. On top, you'll see a top handle for hand carry. And on the sides, you'll see there's D-rings to connect it to a strap. Inside of the bag, there's 3 compartments, kind of like an accordion style. In the back most pocket, it's pretty thin on that side in comparison to the other 2 compartments, which they stretch out a good amount, as you can see. The strap itself has also the rose-colored hardware connected by a buckle, and there's 6 hole slots for adjusting the length of the strap. And it's in 2 separate pieces if you were to separate it. And then obviously they'll just connect here to the D-ring and snap it on right there. No problem. And it can be carried via hand carry, shoulder carry, and crossbody. Okay, let's go ahead and go pack this up. So just as a comparison, I wanted to show an iPad to see if it actually fits in there. But it kind of looks like it does, but I tried it out and it does not fit, even in the largest compartment. It won't fit in there. And the wallet that I also wanted to reference to is my Louis Vuitton Insolite wallet. I tried fitting it in here and it's just as wide. It does fit, it's just very snug in there. So you can put this wallet in there. It's just, you can't really fit much else around it or in it. So I'm going ahead and I'm using my smaller wallet, the Louis Vuitton Iris Compact Wallet. If you guys are interested in looking at an overview of this wallet, I do have a video if you'd like to go check it out. And this is in the perforated monogram. So I'm gonna go ahead and fit that in there. And the stuff that I have in front of me is stuff that I usually put in my bag. And I do like to use some pouches to put my stuff in. It's just easier for me to kind of have it all organized in one place. And the pouches I like to use again are Jujube set pieces. And with these 3 compartments, I can kind of just slide that in the middle compartment. Then I have here just much smaller items I like to put in a piece, just so it's not free floating in my purse and I'm not digging through my purse to look through it to find it. And I can just slide that in aside there. And then the last compartment here, which is the much thinner compartment, I'll just slide my iPhone 8 Plus in there and it fits nicely. And then I don't like to forget my bag hanger, so I don't have to rest it on the ground or anywhere where I don't want it to. As you can see, it's a little puffed up there. It does spread out a bit like an accordion, but I'm still able to close it up, and that's what it would look like. For the Pochette Metis, we're going to go over the pros on it. Since this style seems very popular and it comes in multiple kind of colors and styles like the monogram canvas, the reversible monogram, and the multiple colors on this Empreinte leather. It's 3 ways to carry. You can use the top handle for hand carry. You can use it as a clutch as well. And then the strap allows you to use the shoulder strap and a crossbody strap. I do like the compartments that are on that this has, the 3 different compartments. It's pretty spacious inside, and the fact that you can also, it stretches out a little bit if you need to. And also in the zipper pocket towards the back, so there's a lot of places where you can put some stuff in. Another pro on this is the lock, the S-lock here, and it's pretty secure. It won't obviously open unless you pop that lock open, as you can see. And it's very easy to just open up. And just to close it back up, you just have to put it back into the hole. The con specifically for this style is the color transfer. When I first got it, I was very excited to wear it around our tour during France and Italy. And I was wearing blue jeans when I decided to wear it for the first time. And my blue jeans obviously transferred some of its color right in this area. I don't think you can see it now since I cleaned it up, and it cleaned up pretty nicely, but it makes me very wary on wearing certain clothes for this type of color, lighter color. Another con is I've heard on some other reviews that when you do get the Empreinte leather, to get one that has the monogram embossed in there deeply, because over time it starts to thin out on the embossed area. Obviously I haven't had this very long, I haven't used it very much to notice that. It still looks as good as I got it the day of, so I haven't had that issue yet. The embossing on it, I've noticed, are pretty deep, so I don't think I'm gonna have that problem for a while. Also, another con, as I've noticed just actually while I was filming this video, is how easy the scuffs are noticeable for this. I just noticed that there is a scuff right there, and on this piece right here that's holding the D-ring. I just noticed that while I was filming the video, and I'm like, oh, well, that's new. So yeah, but otherwise it's a pretty good bag. I've only worn it a handful of times, but I like it. I like its organization inside the bag, and overall it's a great purse. So let me know in the comments below what you guys like about your Pochette Metis, if you have one, and what style you would get. And also let me know what kind of other videos or you'd like me to do, or have any ideas of what you want to hear from me, okay? Well, I hope you guys will take care and you keep safe out there. Okay, bye.